crap down your sewage drain. Your neighbors will all stare and scorn like some Yuletide redneck porn. They don't approve, but they can't seem to look away. Oh no, I just wanted you to know. I just wanna let you know. I just wanted you to know. I just wanna let you know. Merry Christmas, the shitter's full, and it may seem illogical, but everyone deserves a place to go in peace today.